Welcome students, myself Mehul Pasha, and today we will continue with the exercise problems of 2.2 of rational numbers. Students, let us solve fifth question. Okay, so what they have given? Find five rational numbers between. Okay, so here they have given three sub questions. I have taken first only one. So here they have given some rational numbers and we need to find the rational numbers between those two rational numbers. Okay, so let us take first question. So what they have given? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here what we need to do, we need to find the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So looking at the question, what comes to your mind first? Okay, so look at here, as the denominator is not equal, so what is the first step we need to do? We need to equalize the denominator. Okay, so we need to what? Equalize the denominator. So let us equalize. That is, we need to find the LCM of 3 and 5. So 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is. Okay, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. So what is the LCM here? 3 into 5, that is 15. LCM is what? 15. So now, okay, so take first number, 2 by 3. So now look at here students, LCM is 15 and denominator is 3. So what has to be multiplied to 3 so that you can get 15? 5, no? So now we'll multiply 5 by 5. Now, okay, 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Next, now take next number, that is 4 by 5. Okay, so here 5 is there and look at the LCM, 15 is there. So what has to be multiplied to 5 so that you can get 15? 3, no? So we will multiply 3 by 3. Okay, so now 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now we'll rewrite these two numbers. Okay, that is 10 by 15 and 15. So look at here students. As the denominator is same and look at the numerator now. 10 and 12 is there. Okay. So here what numbers we can write between these two numbers? Only 11 now. As denominator is same, so we can write only 11 by 15. But look at here, what they have given, find 5 rational numbers. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find 5 rational numbers, not 1. So if we use only these numbers, we can write only one rational numbers, that is 11 by 15. If we use these two numbers, then we can write only one rational number, that is 11 by 15. But we don't want one, we want 5 rational numbers. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to just multiply any other number. Okay, so we need to just multiply any other number to get more and more rational numbers. Students, now I'll multiply 4. Okay, so now I'll multiply 4. See, need not to multiply only 4. Okay, so you can multiply whatever you want. You can multiply 5, 10, 20, 100, 1000, any number you can multiply. Only the thing what is asked, you need to write 5 rational number between those two numbers. Okay, so now I'm multiplying 4. So 4 tens are 40 divided by 15 fours are 60. Okay, so now take next number. Where is it? 12 by 15. Okay, so 12 by 15. And here, if we multiply 4 by 4 here means, then here also we need to multiply 4 by 4 only. Why? Because if we multiply other number, then the denominator will get changed. Okay, so here 15 4s are 60, here also 15 4s are 60, 12 4s are 48. So 12 4s are what? 48. So now what we have got? We have got 40 by 60 and 48 by 60. So now we can write easily, no, the 5 numbers. Okay, so look at here, excluding these two you have to write 5 numbers. Okay, so you can write 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so look at this, these are 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, so student, one thing you remember, it is not like that if you have not got textbook answer then your answer is wrong. Okay, it is not like that. So here for this kind of questions you can get any answer. But why? Because if you going on multiplying bigger and bigger number, then you will be getting more and more rational numbers between any two numbers. If you are going on multiplying bigger and bigger number, then you will be getting more and more rational number between any two rational numbers. So here what they have asked, write 5 rational number between these two numbers. In between, no? So in between there are many numbers. In between there are many numbers. So you can write whatever you want. Just I have taken these 3 numbers. So instead of 4, you can multiply 5, 10, 6, at any number you can multiply. Okay. So it is not necessary that you should get only these answers. It is not necessary. You can get any answer for this kind of questions. Students, let us solve second sub question of 5th question. Okay. So what they have given? Find 5 rational numbers between -3/2 and 5/3. So look at the question, students. Look at it. So what is the first step? Okay. As the two rational numbers are having different denominators, so what we need to do? We need to equalize the denominators. So how we need to equalize? By LCM. So 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is. Okay. 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3. Then what is LCM here? 2 into 3, 6. LCM is what? LCM is 6. As LCM is 6, okay. So what we need to do? You just take first number. Look at here. LCM is 6 and here denominator of this number is what? 2. So what we need to multiply to make it 6? 3, no? So multiply 3 by 3. So minus into plus will be minus. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. Now you just take this number. Okay. So now look at here. LCM is 6 and the denominator of this number is 3. So what we need to multiply? 2. So 2 by 2 will multiply. Okay. So now 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. So once I will write these two numbers. So what we have got, students? We have got -9/6 and 10/6. So here we need not to multiply any other number. Why? Because we can get easily the 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So look at here, students. What is there? -9/6 and 10/6 are there. Okay. So here the denominator is same, no? So now we can write the rational numbers between these two numbers. So it starts from 9, no? Okay. So here it is -9/6. So we need to write -8/6. minus 7/6 minus 6/6 minus 5/6 minus 4/6. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here these are the 5 rational numbers. So what is this? These are the 5 rational numbers between the two numbers, that is -3/2 and 5/3. Okay, so here why we have not multiplied any other number? Why we have not multiplied any other number means, so here in this only, okay, so -9/6 and 10/6, in between these two numbers only we can get the 5 other rational numbers easily. Students, now let us solve the third sub question of 5th question. Okay, so what is this? Find 5 rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. Okay, so now look at here. Again the two rational numbers are having different denominators. So what is the first step? We need to find the LCM. So here 4 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. Okay, so what is LCM here? LCM is what? 2 into 2, that is 4. LCM is what? LCM is 4. As LCM is 4, so just take first this number. Okay, so 1/4. Look at here. LCM is 4 and your denominator is 4. Okay, so need not to multiply any other numbers. We just multiply 1. 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. So now take this number, that is 1/2. And look at here. LCM is 4 and denominator of this number is 2. So what we need to multiply? 2, no? 2/2. So 1 2s are 2, makes 2 2s are 4. So now just rewrite these two numbers, that is 1/4 and 2/4. Okay, so 1/4 and 2/4. Students, look at here. 1/4 and 2/4 is there. The denominators are same. And what is the number that will come after 1? 2, no? So here 2 is there. Here 2 only is there. So the number that will come after 1 is what? 2. So here 2 only is there, no? So these two numbers are serial. Then how we can write 5 rational numbers? Okay. So then how we can write 5 rational numbers, as we will get only 2 after 1. Okay. So how we can get 5 other rational numbers? Okay. So here what is the next step we need to do? We need to multiply any other number. You can multiply any other number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. You can multiply any other number so that you can get more and more rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Students, now I will multiply 8. Okay, so now I will multiply 8 by 8. So 8 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. Okay, so next what is there? 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is there. So now we will multiply same number. Okay, so here 8 by 8. 8 twos are 16 and 4 eights are 32. Okay, so now what we have got? We have got 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. So now we can write easily, no? So now we can write easily 5 numbers. Okay, so excluding these two numbers you need to write. So what are the 5 rational numbers between these two numbers? That is 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 13 by 32. Okay, so what are these? These are the 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So again I am telling you, so need not to multiply only 8. Okay, so you can get any answer for this kind of questions. Okay, you can get any answers. If you have written any other answers apart from this means, okay, so that will be also right. Only the thing is that that number should come in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, so what are these? These are the 5 rational numbers between the two rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Students, let us solve 6th question. Okay, so here what they are given? Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, so what is there? So we need to write 5 rational numbers that is greater than minus 2. Students, if you observe the number line carefully, then you will come to know that the numbers towards the right of minus 2 will be always greater than minus 2. Okay, so towards the right of minus 2 means which number you can write? You can write minus 3 by 2. Okay, next minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, next 1, 1 by 2. Okay, not only 5 numbers, there are many numbers that are greater than minus 2. So even if you want to write other numbers other than this means, so you can write minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are other numbers, not only these numbers, there are other numbers which are greater than minus 2. So these are also rational numbers. No, we have seen in introduction part. So these are also rational numbers. Not only these numbers, you can write these numbers also. Students, let us solve 7th question. Okay, so here what they given? Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So what we need to do? We need to find 10 rational numbers which are between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So take these numbers 3 by 5, 3 by 4. So look at here. As the two numbers are having different denominators, so what is the first step? We need to equalize the denominator, that is 5, 4. So 5 ones are 5, 4 as it is. Okay, so here 1 as it is, 2 twos are 4 and 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So what is LCM? LCM is 5 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20. So LCM is what? 20. So take out this number first. So 3 by 5, as LCM is 20 and here the denominator is 5. So what you need to multiply? 4. So multiply 4 by 4. So 3 fours are 12 and 5 fours are 20. Next, you just take this number 3 by 4. As LCM is 20 and here denominator is 4. So what you need to multiply? 5. So 5 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Next 5 4s are 20. Okay, so I will rewrite these two numbers once. Look at these two numbers. So as the denominator is same and here look at here. 12 is here, 15 is here. So how many numbers you can write here? Only two numbers, so that is 13 by 20 and 14 by 20. So but what they have asked? They have asked to write 10 rational numbers. So here also same thing. So here what we need to multiply? We need to multiply any other number so that we can get many rational numbers. So here students, I am multiplying 8 by 8. I am telling you again that you need not to multiply 8 only, you can multiply any other number also. Okay, so 12 8s are 96. Next 20 8s are 160, and just take out the next number 15 by 20. Okay, so 15 by 20, so into 8 by 8 equals to 120 by, this is 28 are 160. Okay, so here look at this, what we have got 96 by 160 and 120 by 160. So now we can write 10 numbers easily, no? So now we can write 10 numbers easily, that is 97 by 160, 98 by 160, 99 by 160, 100 by 160, 101 by 160, next 102 by 160, 103 by 160, okay, 104 by 160, next here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and two more numbers, that is 105 by 160 and 106 by 160. Okay, so what are these? These are the 10 rational numbers that are between 2 by 5 and 3 by 4.